Banana bread meets chocolate chip cookies in my vegan banana chocolate chip cookie recipe. Start by softening up the coconut oil in a large bowl and adding the brown sugar. Use a hand blender to cream the two ingredients together. Add the thawed bananas and the vanilla to the bowl. Then use the hand blender and mix everything well. For the dry ingredients, I like to combine them all together in a bowl separately, mix them well with a fork, and then adding them to the wet ingredients. Start mixing the dry and wet ingredients together and then add in the chocolate chip. Mix until just incorporated, and then use a rubber spatula to make sure all the ingredients are mixed through. Place the dough into the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes, and then once chilled, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to portion out 13 cookies, placing 6 of them on a baking tray to start. Use the back of a spoon to slightly press the cookies onto the tray and then bake them for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly golden. Repeat with the rest of the dough and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.